So you might have noticed that when musicians play, they don't only make movements necessary to play their instruments, but they tend to sway their bodies expressively. And the information in a musician's body sway reveals how they will play next, and this can help groups to play together. In our lab, we use mathematical techniques to look at group body sway interactions. For instance, we use cross-correlation to look at how similar or synchronous our musicians' body sway. And we use Granger causality to look at how much information flows from the body sway of one musician to the other. In the current study, we asked, how do these two measures, group synchrony and information flow, change as musicians learn to play unfamiliar music together? And to answer this question, we brought in a professional string quartet to McMaster's live lab, and we measured their body sway while they played two unfamiliar pieces together. And to see how their body sway changed as they learned the pieces, we asked them to play each piece 8 times in a row. If you'd like to see the results, please come by to my poster.